I would say the highlight for me, I was selected to cook and represent the United States at the International Catering Cup in Lyon, France in 2015. It was the first time the United States had representation at that event. My teammate and I ended up coming in second place, and it was the first time I had traveled over to France. Had my wife with me. It was great. We were over there for about 2 weeks, and really, it was a great experience. You know, would love to do it again.
Well, it happened during an ice storm. No, I'm just joking. Yeah. The highlight, oh man, the highlight for me has got to be being able to cook on Fun Day Friday, going home, you know, de-stressing, and then waking up in the morning and going on social media and seeing somebody else cooking something that they didn't feel comfortable with just because they saw me cooking it. And knocking it out the park. I mean, hitting a home run. You know, that has got to be my highlight, is being able to do things on camera for folks, and then them watching me, and then being able, you know, feeling comfortable enough to go ahead and spend the money and try it themselves. That's got to be hands down the best, my best highlight for sure.